Well, as we gear up for Independence Day, it is a good time to review our state's rather curious laws about everyday fireworks. Here to give us an annual refresher, Attorney Tom Sinus of the Sinus Dramus Law Firm. Just a couple days away from the booming start, driving our dogs crazy, Tom. Remind us how the state and local laws work in terms of regulating consumer fireworks in Michigan, because like it or not, they're on their way.
They are, and curious is a good word. And why is it curious? Well, we have a state statute that tells municipalities when they cannot regulate everyday fireworks. And so what ends up happening here is that we end up with a certain number of days every year where states cannot regulate fireworks much at all in terms of when they can be used. And the longest period of days is around the 4th of July. And so what the state statute says is that beginning on June 29th, so this year that's going to be Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, all the way through July 4th, municipalities cannot restrict firework usage between 11 a.m. and 11:45 p.m. So I think some people wonder, I used to wonder this, God, why do these fireworks keep going off for so many hours a day, for so many days at a time? Isn't there anything that the city or municipality can do about it? Well, really, under state law, the answer is basically no, because of that state statute.
Okay. Well, let's talk about maybe some of the other basic safety rules people need to keep in mind, because they're going to go buy them if they can get their hands on them, for sure.
They are, and there's a lot and more than we can cover here, but some of the really basic ones. When it comes to alcohol and drugs and fireworks, they obviously don't mix from a safety standpoint, and they don't mix from a legal standpoint. It is illegal, of course, to use everyday fireworks while you're under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or both. You can't use fireworks on public property or school property or church property or someone else's property unless you have their permission. Grand Rapids has an ordinance, a general safety ordinance, that says that people cannot recklessly endanger the life or health or safety of another person while using fireworks. And then, of course, Derek, as we've talked about, we have the general, what we call common law standard of reasonable care. The idea that when we do anything, particularly those things that could put someone else in danger, we have to exercise reasonable care. And the more dangerous the thing that we do, of course, the more careful that we need to be. And we see that in our statutes and our ordinance, and we see that in the general common law. So yes, people can use everyday fireworks. There are certain, obviously some fireworks they cannot, or they have to have a special permission to do so. But if you're going to do so, you got to remember that these things really can be dangerous. And every year it happens where people end up with very serious injuries, very serious burns as a result of fireworks that many people may think could be harmless.
All right, good stuff. Tom, where do people track you down? Do they have any questions about anything at all?
They can find us online at www.sinusdramus.com. They can shoot us an email at info@sinusdramus.com or give us a call, 616-301-3333.
Good stuff. Happy Independence Day. Thanks, Tom.